Here we have a tenant application for reporting issues with assets. This is part of a family of applications which are really a demonstration of how you can build innovative processes on top of both physical assets and IT infrastructure. So in this case, these are physical assets like air conditioning units, elevators, or hydrants, which you can put either an RFID tag or a QR code next to. So in this case, we're using the QR code. So if I scan in this code, then I'm reporting on this specific air conditioning unit. And now what I can do is I can put in my complaint. So it remembers my name from the last complaint or my last issue, the current time of date. The problem is a loud noise in the elevator. How long has it been a problem? 2 weeks. Let's take a photo. I'll take a photo of my laptop. No additional comments. And I can submit it. So that's now been submitted to the property manager or to the owner, depending on how it's set up. And I can actually look at the history of my requests if I want to. I don't have any processed at the moment, so they're all pending. Now what I can do, because I'm in the portal, I can actually slide out and look at the next app in order. So here's the repair gadget. So this is for the repair person who's been sent out. So they're able to scan in the exact same code and bring up the same information on the same item. They can see the information about the fault that was reported. They can see all of the history of the previous repairs. And then when they've finished their repair, they can create a new repair report, put in their name, put in the date, the condition of the item before the repair, take a photo, and actually submit this. So this is really the chance for them to put in all of the information that the owner might need, because the next step is the inspection phase. So let's just look at the inspection phase. So in the case of the inspection, let's inspect a slightly different asset. So this is going to be an elevator inspection. Now there are specific requirements for an elevator inspection, so they're going to see a different inspection screen than they would if they were inspecting other types of assets. So you can see here, once again, a form with a whole series of fields, different ratings of accessibility, yes and no fields, all of the things that are on a standard elevator inspection checklist. The great thing is this is all captured digitally, and it's sent both to the internal team within the company, the repair company or the repair contractor, as well as being reported back automatically to the property manager. And the important thing about this process is that it may also require the inspector to be paid, so that the property manager, when they okay this inspection or when they okay that repair, that could have been posted into something like JD Edwards or whatever their financial system is, and the result of this asset inspection in terms of its scoring, which is a calculation, can be put back into an asset management program such as IBM Maximo. Let's just see an example of a slightly different inspection form. So if we were instead to scan So you can see here with the fire hydrant inspection, we get a quite different set of items to inspect. And these are effectively standardized requirements. But the great thing with Imagine is you could easily put in additional fields if you wanted some additional checks to be done in your particular case.